Money in my pocket. Okay. Money in my motherfucking pocket. I'ma do this shit, blast off Houston Rockets. T-Mac, but he don't play no more. I'ma do this shit now and I do this shit before. I'ma go fucking ham, I'ma go fucking hard. Nigga, do this shit crazy. Austin Cox retard. I don't give a fuck. That was rude though. I'm a rude boy and I gotta get a rude hoe on my dick, cause bitch I do my shit. Yeah, niggas don't wanna fuck with fucking this, cause I'm a fucking boss, nigga. Facebook name, I'ma do this shit now, get that motherfucking fame. Getting paper, make it fucking rain. But I'm not Travis Porter, but I'm fucking daughter. Yeah, do this shit now, I'ma do this shit, take a bitch down. Chris Brown, look at me now, I'm doing this shit, take her to town. Yeah, go on, folks. Yeah.
Yo. I got some money in my pocket, bitch, sit down and stop it. I'm a Houston Rocket and Don said that before. But I don't really care because I got the fucking money and it's getting really funny and it's all up in my soul. And I'ma fucking do it, tie you like you was a soul. To my shoe, I stomp on you niggas, fucking little roach. And I'ma do this thing and then I'm shaking real hard and I'm baking real hard like I was the fucking Pope. In my casket, niggas bastards, and I had it. I'm about to fucking smack you, you motherfucking maggots, you faggots. Niggas can't touch me, unstoppable. Nigga, where's Ron? Stoppable. And I am like Kim, possible. And I need to stop because I'm getting real impossible with my fucking raps. And you niggas need to stop them hoes from sucking on my dick before I come all in your bitch and get her fucking pregnant. Now she got my baby. And look at that girl name used to be Haley. She used to be my old baby. But I dumped her, yo, cause she was getting boring like a box of Cheerios with no fucking Cheerios in the motherfucking box. And now I'm about to run away like I was a fox.
Yeah, clowning nigga. Get it, Marshall. Look at Marshall. Yeah, Jay.
Nigga, why did I do this nigga on that track?
Look at my nigga Nick Reese.
I'm sorry, Haley. I was just rapping.